Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. Many women want a hairstyle that looks beautiful, but the right haircut can choose. The good news is that there are many hairstyle ideas that save time and still help you look fresh and confident every day. Let's explore some of the best low maintenance haircut ideas. The first haircut is the classic pixie cut. This style is short, simple and easy to manage. It dries quickly and needs very little styling. A few soft layers can make thin hair look fuller and give it a fresh modern look. Another popular choice is the short bob, a bob that ends at the chin or just below the always in style. It looks neat, elegant and works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. It is easy to brush and style in just a few minutes. The layered bob is perfect if you want extra volume. The layers add movement and make fine hair appear thicker. You can wear it smooth or with soft waves for extra volume. A textured crop is another great option. This haircut has light layers that create texture without needing much effort. It is ideal for women who want a stylish look without spending a lot of time in front of the mirror. If you like a little more length, try a shoulder length layered cut. This hairstyle is easy to care for and can be worn straight, wavy or tied back when needed. It gives you different styling options while still being simple to manage. For women with naturally grey or silver hair, a low maintenance haircut can make your natural color shine. Grey hair looks beautiful when it is healthy and neatly trimmed. There is no need to hide it if you love your natural look. To keep your haircut looking is best, use a gentle shampoo and a lightweight conditioner. If you want more volume, use a small amount of volumizing mousse or spray at the roots. Avoid using too many heavy products because they can make fine hair look flat. Getting a trim every 6 to 8 weeks will help your haircut keep its shape. Healthy hair always looks more attractive and is easier to hair style. Remember, the best haircut is one that fits your lifestyle. Choose a style that makes you feel confident, comfortable and beautiful. A simple haircut can make getting ready every morning much easier. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these low maintenance haircut ideas, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.